In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion as a CRM. We'll walk through a simple way to get started using Notion's built-in marketplace. You don't have to build everything from scratch. By the end, you'll know how to find a CRM template and get it into your workspace, ready for you to customize. First, open Notion on your computer. From your main workspace, look toward the left side of the screen where your pages and sidebar are. At the top of that area, you'll find the option to open the Notion marketplace. Go ahead and click on Marketplace. This is where Notion collects templates and tools created by Notion and by other users, and it's the fastest way to turn Notion into a basic CRM without doing a lot of manual setup. Once the marketplace is open, you'll see a search bar near the top. Click in that search bar and type the term CRM. This will filter the marketplace to show templates designed for managing relationships with clients, customers, leads, or contacts. After typing CRM, give it a moment to load the results. You should now see several different CRM related templates and setups. These might include simple contact databases, full sales pipelines, or client portals. Take a second to scroll through and glance at the previews. When you find one that looks close to what you need, click on it to open the templates detail page. On this page, you'll see more information about how the template works, including screenshots and a short description. This is helpful for checking whether it matches your workflow, like tracking deals, storing client info, or managing follow-ups. When you're ready to try it, follow the on-screen prompts. Typically, you'll see a button such as Use this template or Get template. Click that, and Notion will add a copy of the CRM template directly into your workspace. After it's added, you can start editing the fields, views, and properties so they match your process. You might rename columns like company,